Some big news coming in. Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister's relief measures at the GST Council meet. She says no late fee for not filing returns from July 17th to Jan 20th. 500 rupees fees for those who have tax liability but not filed returns. Nirmala's relief to small taxpayers. Some big news coming in for those filing tax returns. Here we're looking at no fine or no late fee for those filing returns from July 17th all the way to Jan 20th. Let's quickly go over to Rahul Srivastava for more details on this. Rahul, we're looking at some relief for small taxpayers. No late fee for not filing returns from July 17th to Jan 20th. 500 rupees fee for those who have tax liability but not filed returns. Nirmala's relief for small taxpayers, is it sufficient and satisfying?
So, basically, the crisis is that in this COVID-19 period, there has been several supply disruptions. And that is why there are a lot of people who are unable to file their returns. Now, there has been a backlog of return filing between July 2017, when GST came on board as one tax for all India, till January 2020. That's the non-COVID period. And then there is another period, February to July, which is the COVID period. Now, for that, specific changes have been made in terms of penalties as far as compliance of filing returns are concerned. So, for the first element, there is a zero late fee for no tax liability entities who have not filed return for July 17 till January 20. For those who have tax liability but have not filed the return, this is for entities which have 5 crore turnover. It will be 500 rupees and there will be no interest on it. It's just a capping of 500. Then there are other cases in which who have tax liability, their tax liability has been reduced from 18% to 9%. But in case they don't pay it in time, they will be paying the usual interest rate. Also, what is the government has, the GST Council, which met today for its 40th meeting, has done, that for small taxpayers, there is for the period of May, June and July, there is reduction of taxes for people up to 5 crore. Late return filing fee waived off if filed by September 30th. These are the measures that the GST Council has announced. One important matter of compensation for all states will be taken up at a single agenda meeting of the GST Council in near future. But worrying picture for the government and the states, primarily because the finance minister admitted that only 40 to 45% tax has been collected as far as the GST is concerned in the period of April-May. Only 40 to 45%, and that's a very poor showing because of the disruption, because the states will be struggling for revenues. The center may have to pay compensation for which there is no money. And that is why Nirmala Sitharaman said in the press conference that in case there have to be borrowing, a roadmap will be worked out later.
Right. Rahul Srivastava, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.